way, then I'ma burn it down, yeah. The way these hoes trippin', they so funny, cause y'all know y'all ain't getting none of his money. He ain't gon' play me like no dummy, and I ain't gotta worry about no slow bunny.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another freaking video. So today, you guys already read the title. So y'all, we got these cute lashes, right? It says Lashes Kit Party Girl. So listen to this crap, y'all. So I got these in October. You ready? Jessica, give it back, sir.
No, I just
So
she wanted it and I took it out for her. No, she told me I'm eating it.
So I brought these in October and I never put them on. So we're just gonna do this fun little cute video, y'all. I'm not gonna put makeup on or nothing. We just gonna see how they look. Because yeah. Oh shoot, y'all, look. You got your own eyelash glue, y'all. And I was totally about to use these. I'm going to do a thumbnail, though. You can't even see. You can't. They silver. But let's take them out, y'all. This is about to be so funny. Uh-oh. Alright. So we about to put these on. I think I kind of want to do another video for the family channel and get the girls' reactions. Whoa! Did y'all see that or hear that? Yeah. What the hell? Y'all, that was some crazy and I'm still gonna put it on my eyes. Alright, y'all. Look what I'm doing right here. Uh-oh. Y'all think the glue expired? Period. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put these lashes on and get the girls' reaction to it, okay? I'm doing 2 videos in one, but here we go, look. Alright, let me see how you put this. Oh, gosh. Hold on, y'all. It's on there. Period. Cause I look like. Boom. Cause I look right. Okay, y'all. This is dumb as ever. But we making content. We making videos. We making content. We making videos. We making content. Oh, videos. Oh, videos. We making content. We making videos. We making content. Oh, we making videos. Oh, we making content. Oh. Alright, there go the other one. Jessica and Monica, don't look over here because I'm going to get y'all reaction too. Don't look over here. I'm going to get y'all reaction too. I'm doing 2 videos in one because I'm a boss. Alright. So let's put the other one on. Because we going to be bosses up in there. Oh, shoot. I really can't see. Oh shoot, I can't see. Oh y'all, it's not even on. You know what? I'm gonna get Sean reaction too, y'all. I'm gonna get everybody reaction. Okay, first thing first. So y'all, this is the look. How is the look? Not y'all. Y'all stay over there. How is the look? It's beautiful. Ooh, okay. Hold on a second. Because you always know the look is better with earrings. So, let's pop these things in her. Okay, guys. So, that is the look. That is the funny, cute, ghetto type look. How do you talk when you ghetto? You're like, hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? We about to do what it do and what it don't do. You don't understand, so you clueless. What? What you said to me? You better go get a clue, because at this point, I am everything. I am love. Period. Points. Period. Blank. Something. Something. I don't know, y'all, because I'm not ghetto. Wait. What? What'd you say to me? You don't talk to me like that. What? No. These is mink lashes. Okay, these is mink. It's not plastic. What? No. These is not plastic. These is mink. You see how they move when I blink? They're mink. What? Huh? No, I didn't buy these from no Walmart. These is mink. I got them off Instagram. And the girl had like 50,000 followers, so they not fake. They is legit. So, don't be talking to me. Don't be talking to me like you don't know. You don't. At this point. What? What you said? Whatever. Because my man is right around the corner. And I'm about to go talk to him so you can get beat up. Huh? You sitting on the passenger side. You not even driving. I don't want you. How much money you got in your bank account? What about your wallet? You got $2? No. Bad bitches don't do that. Don't be messing around with no broke. Y'all. I be so dumb. But hold on, let me finish. Don't be walking around talking to no broke thing. Like, no. We don't do that. What? You want to take me to McDonald's? Oh, I can supersize it? Oh, can we go to Chick-fil-A? Then I can get 2 orders of mac and cheese. And some grilled nuggets. Huh? What? Yes. Oh, well, can I have a Diet Coke, though? Because I'm on a diet. I am. I know. I'm just trying to get this belly go down. But Diet Coke will do good with some mac and cheese. And at least I didn't say regular nuggets. I said grilled nuggets. Yeah, y'all, but I got issues. But okay. But this is the video, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe for Rose UK. And go over to my kids' channel because I'm about to get their reaction on this look. So yeah, y'all. Later.
I'm waiting, I'ma burn it down, yeah. The way these hoes tripping, they so funny. Cause y'all know y'all ain't getting